Every day when Rahul goes to the office, he notices that the entry place is extremely crowded during company login hours. Gatekeepers manually record entries in books. Due to this, employees arrive at work late. In the office, Rahul notices all of this and eagerly intends to find a solution to this problem. One day Rahul went for a meeting in a business park and found two entrances, one for visitors and the other for office workers with boom barrier. Then a car arrived, the boom barrier opened automatically and it gets closed after the car crossed. The situation caught Rahul's attention and he shares this scenario with his client Nishant. In response, Nishant shares LivFuture automation contact details with him, so Rahul calls them. LivFuture executive told him about RFID boom barriers and how Wi-Fi switch work over the phone. Rahul says this technology is really cool and I also have to automate my office. Rahul even convinced his society to get the boom barrier installed, which saved lots of time of the residents as well. LivFuture है, तो automation possible है.